Okay, hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for supporting the channel. So we're going to go ahead and do a general message. Let's see what the energy is like around this full moon, okay? Now, this is a general message, so it may not resonate with everyone. Take the parts that resonate for you and leave the rest. Anybody interested in a personal reading, my information is always down below. Thanks to those who do reach out for those, and thanks to those who donate to the channel, and to those of you who do subscribe. It's very much appreciated. So I do hope that everybody is well, okay, Virgos? Now, I do believe that this full moon is in Leo. So we're going to see what that means. And then I'm going to put it back and we're going to get whatever energy comes out, okay? So it is at the bottom of the deck. And it says, don't let pride get in your way here, Virgos, okay? So let's see what it says. Full moon in Leo. Now, it is a number 76, which could be significant for someone. Okay. So it says, don't let pride get in your way. It says, have you been letting your pride become an obstacle? Is the question you're asking about based on your ego, or is it from your heart? It says Leo energy is all about the heart. It says its energy is magnificent, but when it's combined with the rush of the full moon, it can become over the top. It says this card may have come to you because you need to end a deadlock that has developed. It says more love and thoughts for the greater good are the solution to this dilemma. It says if you've not been doing as you would be done by, okay, so do unto others as you would have them do unto you. It says this is the time to find balance between your own needs and the needs of the person or people around you. It says this will help all your relationships. Now it says the teaching, let me just see. All right, it says the teaching. It says when the full moon comes into Leo, it can be a wonderful, bright time where people feel more confident to show the world their inner talents and assets. It says that's the upside of the lunation and of the card. It says, however, take note that the Leo full moon combination creates a sort of tension between your needs and the needs of people in your network. It says Leo full moon is a time to release pride. I don't know, you might as well release the ego as well while you're there. All right, Spirit, give me a card for now and a card for going forward. What is the energy for my Virgos over this full moon? For my Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, North Node, and Venus. What is the energy here? Show me. All right. Give me a card for now and a card for going forward. What is the energy over the full moon? Okay, so just came out straight away. You have don't let your past hold you back here, Virgos. We also have at the bottom of the deck that communication is the key. What are we getting stuck on? Your hard work is paying off. Give me a clear message. Thank you, Spirit. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, North Node, and Venus. What is the energy going forward? Thank you. Conclusions are within reach. And then you have balance, spirituality, and practicality at the bottom of the deck. And the answers you need are coming. Okay. What is this for my Virgos? Don't let your past hold you back. Yeah, I see the Chariot. Okay, maybe it's time to go for someone here. But we have the Two of Pentacles. So someone here is definitely indecisive when it comes to moving forward. Two of Pentacles talks about somebody trying to find balance. Seven of Cups, there's an energy of confusion here. And the Page of Wands, it's almost like I'm hearing somebody say to themselves, what is real and what is not? Now, for someone else, you do have to find the inner strength here or the courage here to communicate something. So it makes me feel like there is something that you want to say, maybe to a certain person. This could just be about speaking up for yourself, okay? There's an energy here of, I'm hearing the word restriction. So maybe someone doesn't know how to express themselves. You know, not everybody is good when it comes to using the right words to almost get your message across. Strength card, Knight of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Four of Pentacles, somebody holding back here. Now, it could also be that maybe another person is intimidated by somebody else. But what is, don't let your past hold you back. Thank you, Spirit. We have the Five of Pentacles. We have the Devil. The Eight of Swords. Someone here is feeling stuck. I don't know if this is about someone who, we'll see what comes out underneath the Devil. I don't know if this is about somebody feeling left out in a cold, or someone here is financially struggling. I don't know if someone here has some sort of addictions, or, you know, it could be an energy of obsession. I mean, I just said this in the masculines reading, where someone here could have some sort of mental issues as well. But what is the Devil? We have the Seven of Swords. See, someone may be beating themselves up about something. Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. King of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the High Priestess, Page of Swords, the Sun. Someone may be worried about how intuitive someone is, or what somebody knows, or someone here with that Page of Swords, they could have revealed something here. But show me what this Five of Pentacles energy is. I really feel like someone is finding it difficult about moving forward after some sort of betrayal. So whether you're the one that did the betrayal or whether someone else did, okay? But because we do have Capricorn energy out here, what else do we have? Let's see what else comes out. Someone could have just been vibrating from a very low space at the time. What is the Five of Pentacles? The Justice. Oh, someone could be going through some sort of karma. Someone could be in trouble with the law here. But this is also an energy of, you know, as above, so below. This is someone who is realizing that certain actions have certain consequences here. Someone could even be like homeless or something like that. What is the Justice for the Five of Pentacles? Or this could have something to do with a home. What is the Justice? Thank you, Spirit. Coming out sideways. Yeah, the blockage is something from the past. Six of Cups. It's almost like some sort of past memories is haunting somebody here. This is also an energy of somebody feeling maybe like homesick, or one, you know, like I said, you know, or you could be their past, right? Maybe you're the one that's walked away here, Virgos, and it feels like they want to revisit. This is an energy of reunion. But the Six of Cups is also an energy of nostalgia. Someone here has a lot going on. Give me one more card for the Justice and the Six of Cups. Now, it could also be, because I just saw the Three of Wands, something from the past may be coming back around to bite somebody in the butt. Karma forgets no one's name or address. What is the Justice and the Six of Cups? Queen of Wands. This could be an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius feminine energy. What is this Queen of Wands? King of Swords. Show me more. What is the Queen of Wands and the King of Swords? Oh. Could be a Leo. Some card fell on the floor, so I don't know if it came out in the reverse or not. Now, coming out sideways is the 10 of Cups. This could be a family member. This could be someone you have family with, but it's coming out sideways. So again, I don't know if this is someone that you have blocked, moved away from, cut communication. What is the King of Swords? The Four of Pentacles. Someone here may get some sort of bad news as well about finances. So I don't know if somebody was expecting some sort of money or something like that from some sort of legal situation. Why did the Four of Pentacles come out? Why did the Four of Pentacles come out? Thank you, Spirit. The Five of Wands. Conflict, drama, chaos here. Yeah, about Ace of Pentacles. So this may have something to do with finances. And the Four of Pentacles with the Ace of Pentacles makes the Five of Pentacles here. Okay. So what is this Two of Wands? The Ten of Wands. The Six of Wands. And the Seven of Swords out here again. Someone's walking away from a certain situation. You know, this makes me feel like someone here is realizing that a certain situation has become too burdensome, or a certain person, okay? The Ten of Wands talks about you needing to drop some sort of weight. Seven of Swords is, I don't know if somebody promised someone that, you know, they were going to be successful, or because the Six of Wands talks about, you know, being in the public eye. It talks about an energy of winning. It talks about someone who, you know, has had some sort of triumph here, or they're achieving their goals, you know. It also does talk about fame and celebrities, but it also talks about if someone here is in the public eye, okay, you have some sort of well-wishers or some sort of support network around you. It's almost that energy of people love you. So the Seven of Swords is about lying, cheating. It talks about a thief, okay? It talks about someone who feels like they're clever here. What is the Seven of Swords? The Four of Cups. Something here is a missed opportunity. And again, like I said, you know, if someone here is struggling and they're watching someone else have some sort of victory, this is someone, yeah, look at that. The Hanged Man. Pisces energy coming out here. This is someone who feels stuck. This is someone who feels like they should have made better choices here. I feel like this is also someone who, you know, they know deep down inside that, you know, they kind of made the rod for their own back here. I don't know if this is also an energy where someone may have wanted to make something difficult for whoever this is in the public eye. Show me the Seven of Swords. What was that? Yeah, I just saw, wow, I just saw the Hierophant, I saw the Star card, and I saw the High Priestess. So I don't know if someone here was working against someone who, I almost want to say someone who may be like a healer, or someone who is very connected to higher sources here, okay? Someone who is very intuitive. Yeah, the World, and then the Five of Cups, and then we have a King of Wands. Someone's watching someone here on the internet, or someone who is at a distance. I don't know. Someone here is watching someone have some sort of success. So this definitely could be someone who does maybe some sort of spiritual work. You could be like a tarot reader, right? A healer, an indigo child. I am seeing the Sun card with the Nine of Cups. Maybe you bring some sort of positive energy to people here. And it looks like you're happy, right? Your wishes are coming true with the Nine of Cups. But you see this Five of Cups? There's someone else here who is crying over spilt milk. And it could be that maybe for someone here, maybe yes, maybe you ended something with somebody, right? Now I've got the King and Queen of Wands. Look at that, King of Wands wanting to come out here. Maybe you, yeah, maybe you did end something and ghost someone. Maybe you just become very silent here. What is the Devil card? Knight of Swords in the reverse. Yeah, look at that, missed opportunity. Someone here, I don't know what this devil energy is or what somebody was trying to do, but the Knight of Swords in the reverse talks about someone who is out of their depth. It's that energy of you bit off more than you can chew here. Someone here may be losing it because they feel, like I said, they're being left behind. This could even be someone who maybe gets out of character. So the devil could definitely be representing anger. Someone may be regretting something that they said, because this can talk about someone who is being rude, trying to be hurtful with their words. What is the Knight of Swords in the reverse? The Eight of Wands. Show me more. That was the Page of Pentacles trying to come out. What is the Knight of Swords in the reverse and the Eight of Wands? Because the Eight of Wands was talking about moving away. It talks about things happening at great speed. Again, someone here could be traveling, right? So this could even be like mean or hurtful text messages or voice notes or whatever, right? Maybe something ended as quickly as it started for some of you as well. You have the Eight of Cups, yeah. Someone here is moving on, abandoning a certain situation. Someone here may see somebody as toxic. Someone may also be realizing that, you know what, a certain situation doesn't emotionally fulfill me, doesn't satisfy me anymore. In whatever way that means. What is this Seven of Swords? Coming out sideways is the Judgment. Show me more. The Eight of Pentacles. What is the Seven of Swords? And we have the Knight of Cups. The Judgment came out sideways, which any card that comes out sideways for me is a blockage. Someone could have had some sort of awakening here, or maybe they're seeing something from a different perspective, okay? Someone here may want your forgiveness for something here, Virgos, okay? But it just feels like this may be someone who just wants to move things to the next level. It almost feels like this is someone who doesn't want to take accountability, okay, for the part that they played in a situation. Now, I could also take that Judgment coming out sideways for me, almost like the ancestors and angels is putting a barrier between you and someone here. Maybe the I can't even really say that. I can say it for the ancestors. I can't say it for the angels and the Most High. You know, maybe some of your ancestors is like, hey, listen, we know what this person did behind the scenes. Some things are unforgivable. Or some things is that energy where, hey, okay, we can forgive you, but you cannot come back over here. You got the Knight of Cups with the Eight of Pentacles. What is this Knight of Cups? Because some of Virgos, you may just have your head down working here, okay? This is Eight of Pentacles is an energy of someone who's very committed to something, very focused on something here, right? This talks about dedication. But it also talks about you mastering something. There's something here about your creativity that you're very good at for some of you. Or Spirit is putting up this blockage here with whoever this person is, because that's where they want you to focus on your Eight of Pentacles energy. But give me one on this Knight of Cups. The Eight of Swords, yeah. Someone is in their head. Someone here wants to make you an offer. Give me one more. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Damn, someone here is feeling hopeless though. This is anxiety, this is stress, this is worry. Or I could take this as whoever it is that is wanting to come towards you, they may have someone attached to them, right? Because like I said, we got the Seven of Swords over here with this Ten of Wands, where someone here may be doing something underhanded, you know, to stop somebody moving forward and having success. Someone's having anxiety and worry here. Who's in this Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords energy? Who's in this mental prison? Three of Cups. Show me more about the Three of Cups. The Page of Cups in the reverse. Someone who has some sort of childhood issues. This could even be someone who has some sort of sex addictions or something like that. This is someone who needs some sort of inner child healing here. They have wounds that they haven't addressed. This could be someone who parties a lot with the Three of Cups. Okay? Someone who likes to go out with their friends. They like to drink. And one more. Who's in this Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords energy? The Fool card. You know, if it's not an Aries or an Aquarius, okay? This is someone who is so worried about another person having a brand new beginning. Like I said, the Eight of Cups is on its way to the Nine of Cups. Someone here is on, I don't know. Someone here is on their way to having some sort of victory. And someone is not doing very well. All right, Spirit. So what is this conclusions are within reach? What is this energy over this full moon for my Virgos? The World card. New beginnings, success, completions here. For some of you with the Three of Cups at the bottom of the deck, reunited and it feels so good. Ooh, but there's that Tower and that Five of Wands and that Two of Swords and the Four of Cups. Man. What is the World card? Someone here could be relocating. You could be moving to another part or another country or something like that. What is the World card? The Emperor. Someone here is bossing up. Someone here is taking control here. Again, we have Aries and Taurus energy out here, but you don't have to be dealing with those signs. Show me more. The Hierophant. Okay. Someone may be going towards a soulmate because it just hit the Six of Cups. Or you could be going back to somebody that you've known since childhood. Show me more. So we have Taurus energy out here heavy. And we have the Lovers. This reminds me a little bit of the spread that came out in the masculine energy. Okay. But we have Gemini energy out here now. Ace of Swords at the bottom of the deck with the Chariot and the Ace of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Oh, someone wants to go towards somebody and heal something. Someone that they see as loving, caring, nurturing here. Again, maybe the energy of someone who is very intuitive with this Queen of Cups. But someone here, it makes me feel like a Two of Cups energy. Queen of Cups with the Ace of Cups. Someone has love for someone. Chariot, and they're going forward here to speak their truth. Or Spirit is saying, hey, listen, for someone here, it's okay to do that. Conclusions are within reach. Spirit, clarify this world for me. The Seven of Wands, you're going to have to fight for this success, someone. This is an energy of standing up for your beliefs, or they see someone else standing up for their beliefs online, okay? What is the Seven of Wands? So someone standing their ground, not backing down. What is the Seven of Wands? Man, I'm telling you, Three of Swords with the Ace of Wands, someone here is definitely going to be heartbroken about seeing somebody leave. What is the Seven of Wands? And the World card. Queen of Swords. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. But like I said, I feel like either someone here may have got some sort of, let's say, encouraging words or words of wisdom or something like that, okay? What is the Seven of Wands and this Queen of Swords? Ten of Cups. Happiness. Emotional fulfillment. And for some of you, I don't know, it kind of feels like maybe you're going to have to, you know, stand your ground with maybe family, or like I said, maybe someone you're married to or someone you have children with. But for others of you, this is you fighting and going towards some sort of happiness. What is the Hierophant? The Five of Wands. Conflict, drama, and chaos. What is the Five of Wands? The Death card. Listen. Also, you got the Death card. Scorpio energy. Man, someone is going to really try to get in the way or throw some sort of obstacles in the way of somebody having some sort of rebirth. The Death card does also talk about sudden or unexpected change. It talks about an upheaval. It talks about somebody letting go. It talks about someone who has had some sort of spiritual transformation. Yeah, I don't know how much trouble this person is going to give you, but I don't know if you can see the rain outside. So I feel like whoever this is, there's going to be a lot of waterworks. The World card came out again. Completion. Traveling. It's almost like somebody wants to go somewhere where they feel a part of something. So I don't know if this is a situation where, you know, maybe things just ain't the same. Maybe there's just too many arguments. Maybe this is a very repetitive behavior. Maybe someone here has just got to the point where they're just like, you know what? I've had enough. What is this Emperor? The Ace of Swords. Someone sees where they can have victory, but this is also about communication. It's also about somebody thinking clearly, and I just touched the Two of Cups. So somebody thinking or knowing or getting some sort of clarity about who they want to be in a partnership with, who they want to be in a relationship with, who they want to give to, who they want to invest in. But that Five of Pentacles, this is someone who also knows that there is another situation that either has to be left out in the cold. What is the Ace of Swords? The Two of Swords. Someone realizing what was keeping them stuck. This is also an energy of a stalemate. Somebody being at a crossroads. Now, maybe this was a very difficult situation to kind of, you know, make a decision about here. But I really feel like this may be someone who is either trying to or they are going to overcome their fear. This is the Three of Swords energy. So someone definitely is heartbroken about something or feeling or experiencing some sort of pain here. Or someone else is going to be... What is this Ace of Swords with the Two of Swords? Someone is also wondering if they should speak up. We have the Three of Cups. So definitely for some of you, this may be a third-party situation. But the Three of Cups also does talk about reunited, and it feels so good. This talks about celebrations. What about the Three of Cups? King of Pentacles, show me more. Like I said, someone here could be someone's husband or someone's wife, right? But that was the King of Pentacles. We have the Page of Swords. Yeah, there's delayed information. There's delayed communication here. This could be someone who is spying on you at this time, Virgos. This also feels like someone who was trying to maybe get more information before they approach somebody or before they speak up. And like I said, or there is something that maybe someone has been listening to, hearing, that has maybe, you know, inspired them or helped them to gain some sort of courage or confidence here. All right. What is this? The Lovers. I also feel like there is someone here who is choosing not to engage in whatever this Five of Wands is anymore. I'm just not going to argue with you. I'm not going to entertain it. I'm not going to feed my energy into this negative situation here. So well done to whoever that is. What is the Lovers? Look at that. The Lovers at the bottom of the deck with the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, something, there's some sort of change, some sort of shift going on here. What is the Lovers? Or somebody hopes that something turns in their favor. Wow, what is the Lovers? The Two of Cups. Some of you definitely could be dealing with a soulmate here. But this is like an equal give and take, right? Reciprocity. This is someone who is attracted to you. This is somebody who feels that you bring them peace and harmony. And you help them to restore some sort of balance here. But show me more. Because this could be a proposal for some of you. What is the Lovers and the Two of Cups? Thank you, Spirit. The Devil. What is the Devil? Capricorn energy. The Chariot. Show me more. The Ten of Pentacles. Give me one more. What is that Devil? We have the Seven of Pentacles and we have the King of Pentacles with the Chariot. Okay, so I feel like someone here may be obsessed here. This could even be someone who may be fantasizing about you. Someone here could be feeling a little bit ungrounded, or maybe someone here has some sort of addictions. What is the Devil? Page of Wands. See, the Page of Wands talks about good news, though. It talks about somebody wanting to communicate here. Oh, that's interesting, because I would have never put that with the Devil card. Give me one more before I say that. King of Swords. All right, there's the what? There's the word. So I'm hearing something about a power couple. I also feel like for some of you, the chemistry between you and this person would is given the word insane. All right, before they go any deeper on that, let's move on. Anything that my Virgos need to be aware of over this full moon? Thank you, Spirit. Anything they need to be aware of? Give me 3 cards, thank you. Okay, that was 3. So we have guidance, but where will it lead you? We have working too hard. And then we have powerful personal growth. So learning lessons, right? Someone here, like I said, maybe you did something that maybe you're not so proud of for somebody here. All right, the Judgment came out sideways. Knight of Cups. What is the guidance, but where will it lead you? But it tells me that, you know, someone here may have learned some lessons, okay? Or you will be. What is the guidance, but where will it lead you? You have the past returns for a time. And then you have from death comes rebirth. So for someone here, you may have gone back to somebody from your past, whether this is like a work situation, right? Or whether this is a relationship. And like I said, maybe something ended as quickly as it started here. But it was to push you into some sort of awakening. From death comes rebirth. And what is the working too hard? So I always say this to my Virgos, you know, make sure that you're getting rest as well. I know you guys love to work, okay? But make sure you're not pushing yourself to a point where it becomes almost like a health hazard, you know? What is working too hard? Yeah, what did I just say? It says it's time for a treat. you missed someone. So maybe someone here is trying to distract themselves with their work. And then you have, it's time to be brave. So again, for someone here, it's time to speak up, okay? Yeah, because you see clearly now. Anything else that my Virgos need to be aware of? Thank you, Spirit. Give me 3 cards. Thank you, Spirit. That's more than 3. Security, containment, alchemist, and the death. Just know that you are protected from any kind of spells here, okay? Especially if it's like death spells or people trying to end something for you. What did I just say? Look at the bottom of the deck, protection. So let's see what came out. So we have concealment, cloak. You have balance. And what did I just say about working too hard? Make sure that you find time to work and play, rest. Okay, so balance is definitely needed. And then you have ancestors, and it says remembrance. And that's going to sit with powerful personal growth here. So this is that energy of you remembering who you are. Remembering how powerful you are. We see the Emperor coming out here. It's like divine masculine, divine feminine energy. Remembrance. Or the ancestors are very much trying to help you to remember. What is this concealment card? The cloak. Maybe someone got some bad advice from somebody, or what is the concealment and cloak? You have initiation. And then you have homecoming. So this doesn't necessarily give me anything bad. I feel like it's that energy with the cloak here and concealment. It's that energy where maybe someone has been living in their south node, right? And I feel like what is happening to you is to push you into your north node. Again, that energy of awakening. It landed on the Justice card. Give me one more. Because the kind of way I'm seeing this homecoming card is almost like I'm hearing welcome home. One more. Masculine energy. And there's the rebirth. Okay. I don't know, right? I don't know if someone here did some sort of cleansing or you need to, okay? I don't know if someone here, I don't know, that card just made me feel a bit weird. I don't know if someone here has some sort of energy on them or around them. Maybe you was dealing with someone who has very much like an incubus, succubus energy. So if you know that you was kind of getting involved in a lot of sexual kind of activities, or you were with somebody where that's mostly where their focus was, or I don't know. So what are we looking at now? What is your... We're asking, is there anything you need to release? Okay, even though the spread kind of points out a few things that you need to release. Yeah, look at that. Escaping, avoiding, blocking and pushing away. And then we've got confessions, unveiling, coming clean, and messages. So again, someone here wants to get something off their chest. Someone here definitely needs to walk away from a certain person. You got pain, apprehensive, afraid, and cautious. I really feel like someone here is dealing with someone who is mentally unstable, and I feel like it's a feminine energy. And what do my masculines, what do my Virgos need to release? So that is the energy of spying. It says social networking, information, and ways. But what does the Virgo need to release around this time? Thank you, Spirit. Coming out sideways is a blockage for someone. So we have stress. It says turbulence, tension, and arguments. So maybe this is arguments with other people. Again, look at this, heart fog. This could be like some sort of emotional manipulation. What do my Virgos need to release at this time? Conflict. It says clashing differences and incompatibility. So this is avoiding conflict with people that make you feel unbalanced here, okay, Virgos? Give me a clear message. What do my Virgos need to release? Exhaustion. What did I say about working too hard here? Finding that energy of, again, balance. Balance is everything here, right? Moderation is very important. You have depletion, drained, and long journey. Now, I could also take this in a different way, especially with it sitting on top of the powerful and personal growth here, okay? And this remembrance energy, that energy of awakening. Some of you have been through a difficult, I want to say, journey, right? Your life hasn't always been easy. You've gone, you know, and you've bucked up with those bumps in the road and those hurdles and people throwing spanners in the work and people messing with your heart space and your mind and, you know, all of that going on, right? Spirit is saying to someone here that I feel like this is an energy of you coming to the end of the road, but we're going to see what sits with it. Yeah, realizations at the bottom of the deck. It says epiphanies, understandings, and awakenings. Or to get you to the place where you're supposed to be. Or to get you on your divine path. So that you can live in your divine purpose. What is stress? We have conflicted. It says decisions, hot and cold, multiple choices. Man, this is what I was saying. I felt like you have someone who may be obsessed about you, or it says infatuation, adoration, and addiction. So again, you know, there may be someone here that you have to turn your back on that maybe you actually cared about. But sometimes when something begins to become too heavy, okay, when people start to lie and try to hide things, it's that energy of enough is enough. What is this conflict? We got confusion. Landed on that Queen of Wands. It says uncertain, unclear, and unsure. So this makes me, I don't know, it kind of makes me feel like a distorted feminine energy. Or it could be a distorted masculine, right? But this just feels like someone who is just, I don't know if it's because of addictions or whatever here, but someone who could drink a lot, okay? It just feels like someone's mind is all over the place. Broken. Shattered, heartbroken, and destroyed. Clouded judgment, illusions, unbalanced, and distorted. What did I just say about a distorted female? You have dishonesty, deception, and trickery. Elusive. This is someone who casts webs or creates issues with people, and it's almost like they get caught up in their own lies. Look at that. Fantasy. Someone who creates illusions. Someone who is delusional. Give me one more for the exhaustion. I'm feeling exhausted. What is the exhaustion, Spirit? Clinging. Holding on, obsessing, spying. Yeah, I'm hearing for someone here, you're going to have to put a lot of distance between you and this person. It's almost like an energy of this is someone who will forever apologize about something they did, or if they get caught is what I'm hearing. And it's almost like if they don't get their own way or you don't accept their apology, this feels like someone who's got anger issues, resentments, hurtful words. Someone who someone who likes to cross people's boundaries, or you had to put up some boundaries with them. give me 3 cards for my masculine. I mean, I keep saying that, masculine, because I just did the masculines, that's why. Give me 3 cards for my Virgos over this full moon. Thank you, Spirit. And one more. So, what do we have for Virgos? We have entrapment. We have the alchemy. You have all the tools you need to free yourselves from a situation. This could also be that energy of maybe somebody being under some sort of influence or under some sort of, I want to say, spell work. Or you see that wand in his hand. And you see the mask. But you have the alchemy card out here. So you are a powerful person. You have a number 10. It says pay attention to the signs. You have rejection. And then you have the rising phoenix. So someone here may be worried about rejection, okay? It could also be that maybe someone here wants to reach out to someone that they haven't spoken to for a while. Just I look at this card and I see like the cobwebs. I'm hearing, who sings this song? I don't know. But I'm hearing the bit where she says, give me one moment in time. Is that Whitney Houston? I feel like I can hear Whitney Houston's voice. Okay, so let's close out this reading for my Virgos. Give me the strongest energy moving forward. Thank you, Spirit. What is the strongest energy moving forward? And give me 2 more. What is the strongest energy moving forward? Okay. Ooh, okay, so I guess that one. We do have reach out. And it was sitting with decisions, okay? Bottom of the deck, we have self-healing. What is the strongest energies for my Virgos? So we have decisions, okay? And it's going to sit on top of entrapment. So that makes me feel like a mental space. Set yourself free here, okay? It is, it's almost like I want to say for someone, it's better you reach out and be rejected, okay? At least then you know, rather than sit with all of this in your mind and you kind of let it overtake you mentally, emotionally, and eventually that would lead to physically. You have organized the mind. You have self-reward. And then the last one you have is take root. So for someone here, it's time to ground yourself in something stable, right? We see it over here. 2 of Cups, the Lovers, Page of Wands, the Emperor, the Hierophant. What is sitting with the Hierophant? The Death card, yeah. New beginnings. But you have to shut out the past. Don't let your past hold you back. So Virgos, that is what I have for you for this full moon energy. I do hope that something resonated for you. If it did, I do ask that you hit the thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. But if this is where we part, guys, stay safe. Love and light.